back at it again today. Yesterday was the teardown of everything that really needs to come out other than the air box. I do have to take the wiring harness out, so today we will be patching the wiring harness, we will be cleaning the carb, and hopefully today we'll be getting everything back together if I can get into like a 20-minute video or something. But so what's going to happen now is we're just going to go to the table and start tearing apart that carb. And yesterday I kind of half-assed the videos, so I wasn't like cutting it and doing all the cool stuff, so I'll go ahead and make it a little bit better today. Carb, this is a CV style carb. You have your high-speed needle and you have your low-speed needle. The low-speed needle adjusts your idle, and your high-speed needle actually adjusts your fuel flow. So we're not doing any modifications to this, so it'll be pretty simple. Because usually I take that. So this is the clutch lever. This is where the lever meets the wire. Where does this thing go? Alright, let's take a look at this. So I had to adjust the clutch at the engine, but what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and screw this down. I know this is broken, but she said it's fine. Unless we need another one and I see a problem with it when I'm building it, then I won't really suggest getting another one of these. So we'll get it down to its lowest position, right there. And we'll go ahead and put the wire in. Put it in right here. Wait a second. Yeah, I can't see too well from this angle. Camera's in the way. There we go. And then we're going to back it out all the way up here, put it in, and we're going to just pull on this piece right here, and I'm going to back the screws, both these set screws, or they're not set screws, but they're just bolts that kind of set it in place. And we'll see if we can get the clutch fully depressed and see if we can shift gears. So it's nice and stiff, and let's see if we can get it. Oh wow. So that's first gear, half. Second gear. We're now taking the wind cover off, like the windshield thing. She complained that it actually directed wind to her eyes. She's kind of short, not in a mean way or anything, but she's kind of short. But I think one of the best things about these is that they deflect rocks. The problem is they're not aerodynamic, and you can't adjust them up and down to direct the wind in different places. So this is before I started painting. Alright, well, we're just putting the thin coat on now. This shit goes on really heavy too. And then we're gonna heat it. make this the end of the video. I've been having trouble with the camera. Within a period of time that you guys have been watching, I painted the pipe. You guys saw that. I put the pipe on the bike, fixed the, what do you call it, the rear brake. Now it actually returns and everything. And I've also rerouted the clutch wire and got it rigged up again. It was fine the way it was. It just needed to go through the chassis and through the handlebars rather than beside them and not through the chassis. So I don't know if I've had this on video, but I took off this whole wiring harness. It's only connected in 2 places, which are hardwired, and I'm not taking the whole back end off. Tomorrow will be the whole rebuild. We'll be taking this out, cleaning that, and then everything's going back together. Then we're going to tune, and essentially I'll be having Madison, because I don't ride motorcycles and I don't want to wreck this one. I trust myself enough to ride it, but it's not mine, so I can't determine that myself. But yeah, so I'm gonna have Madison ride it and tell me what she thinks, if it's bogging, if it's lagging, whatever is going on, and we'll tune it. And that'll be it. So thanks for watching, guys. As usual, like and subscribe, hit the bell icon, and like I said in my last video, hit the bell icon because we're going to be doing a ZX10R. It's behind the chair over there. ZX10R engine on a Metropolitan, and that's happening very soon. I'm actually getting the Metropolitan frame, say, in about 3 days or so. So that will be after this. That will be my next video. So thanks for watching, guys.